Here's a 1998 Dodge Ram 3500 or 1 ton. Laramie SLT, 4-door extended cab, 4x4 dually, V10 power underneath the hood, so 8-liter underneath there, paired up with an automatic transmission. And catch this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, less than 8,000 miles on this truck. So we take a look at the front grille, bumper fascia. Something else I want you to know, included with the purchase will be a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and we can be reached at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Website you can see all the pictures on, and as you can also see, plenty of tread left on the front tire. We'll check out those rear ones here in a second too. Nerf bars. Interior, I guess, kind of light saddle color, leather. Of course, the Laramie. Split bench seat. Very stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you check out the interior. Look at that a little closer. The tops of these wheel flares do show the age of the paint a little bit there. Rear wheels, again, plenty of tread left on those. You'll be able to see that all in the still pictures too. Something else to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Spray and bed liner. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Have some shots of the underside, engine bay, interior. uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember that warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. See if I can kind of show you on the top of the wheel flares here. More cosmetic than anything. Polished wheels in the back. Did notice a little bit of corrosion on the bottom of this door, kind of want to point out. Again, more cosmetic, nothing major. Take a look at this interior. Of course, SLT and Laramie package, so pretty nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC, of course, underneath the hood. Then power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats, of course, tilt and cruise, AM, FM, CD, cassette. Again, 4-door extended cabs. You can see the bench seat in the rear, and again, these seats don't look like they've hardly been sat in. Kind of the same way in the front here. Headliner, all good. Sliding rear glass. And let's check out the exact miles here. You can see that, 7,170. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. All the gauges are working. There's that AM, FM, CD cassette player. Dash looks good. Slide around to the back so you can hear this run. I guess it's what you'd expect out of a 98 V10. Let me sneak up here to the front. Let's get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Here's a good look underneath the hood. There it is, that 8-liter V10. Paired up with the automatic transmission. There's the battery disconnect there. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car, or truck I should say, online, uniqueclassiccars.com. 1998 Dodge Ram 3500 or 1 ton. Laramie SLT, 4-door extended cab, 4x4 dually. 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And remember, this vehicle comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1998 Dodge 3500 pickup. This has the extra cab with extra doors. It is a dually. Starts up and runs great. Feels like a very low mileage truck. Radio working good. All our gauges are working. Oil pressure is about 60, looks like. Temperature about 180. Battery's charging over 14. Tachometer works. Cruise is also working. It's a very smooth ride. If I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight on the highway. No vibrations, no shakes. This is a 4-wheel drive. We have the engagement lever on the floor. On the column is the gear shift for the automatic with overdrive lockout. We got power windows and power seat. Strong running truck. Very good Dodge dually. Check out this 1998 3500 at uniqueclassiccars.com.